Ah yes, the Met Gala. One of the most glamorous nights of the year. And this year's best dress by far to me was Miss Billie Eilish, followed closely by Lil Nas X, who also frickin' slayed. Since I love to remake celebrity fashion... Ooh, looking good, girlfriend. Looking good. I thought I would give myself a whirl at this one, so here we go. I try to make Billie Eilish's Met gown in one day out of things I found in my house and downtown. God, wish me luck.
All right, the beautiful downtown Los Angeles. This is where I come for every project ever. All right, so let's see what we can find. Hopefully we find something good. I'm feeling very creative today, so I'm sure we'll find something spicy. They're so gorgeous. Wow, yeah, so we gotta get it look kind of like that. I need something to make the dress hella puffy. I'm sure they sell that here somewhere. Well, I think this will work. Look at that. I'll be puffy.
Okay, baby, this is the one.
Oh, great, perfect. Thank you so much. Honestly, this is a fit. All right. Hopefully we're on to something. God bless, I hope, or this video is gonna be a mess. Okay. Stop, look at this little wonderland. Oh, adorable. This is actually pretty good inspo. These people would be better dressed than the people at the Met Gala. Okay, anyways. Okay, so we gotta get a base of the dress. I think some kind of corsety something will do the trick. Like maybe like that or that. I mean, I need nude, so. I feel like this could work. And then I wanna use this somehow. Maybe?
Can I get in black?
All right, now we gotta get some fabric to make the rest. Oh, like look at these. These are so beautiful. Wow. Maybe I'll do a shiny version. Oh my God, I'm losing my mind. These are beautiful. Look at that. Wow. How anyone could not like glitter is literally beyond me. All right, we're getting some fabric. And since we're here, even though I don't really need anything, let's say hi to Benny. Hello, sunshine.
Hi.
We missed you. How are you?
Obviously, I miss you too, my love. Everyone. Made this for you. Special for you.
It's beautiful. I love it.
That's your lovely tumbler. Years and years of friendship. Cheers to the empty tumbler.
We've only been friends for a decade.
Seriously.
I know.
It's been a decade.
That's
Almost
insane.
a
I'm so
decade.
old. Hi, Angel. Are you ready to do a project? Mommy loves you. Okay, so, here's what I got. All right. So as usual, I have no idea at all how I'm going to do this. So here's what I got. So obviously I got this giant hoop skirt. That's gonna make the dress be extra poofy and fluffy. I got a bunch of fabric. No, don't walk on it. Okay, or do, that's fine. George, out of the way. Okay, well, anyways, hi, yes, you're the star. So yeah, I got a bunch of fabric. I got some corsets to be kind of like the base of the dress since I actually don't really know how to like sew. I got this too, I don't know. And then I thought for fun, I got some gloves. Billy wasn't wearing gloves, but whatever. Somehow we're gonna turn this into a dress, so here we go. Wish me luck.
Okay, so first things first, I'm going to make the skirt. Obviously I have the hoop skirt, but I had this in my closet. This is literally like a tulle skirt. I use these for DIYs all the time. I get them on Amazon. They're great. If you want to buy one, they're linked below. I freaking love this thing. I've used it for all sorts of projects, but I'm going to go ahead and use this one as the base of the skirt. You can see it's kind of like floppy and not that interesting when it's just not fully on you, but when you throw the hoop skirt on underneath it, ba-boom! Boom! That'll give it that puffy, like Billie Eilish-esque look. So now I've got a big poofy bottom. Not gonna lie, I literally had a little way too much fun with this. This is what happens when you're alone in your house too long. You honestly go insane. Not that I wasn't insane before, but you know, yeah. Okay, so anyways, after having tons of fun with this, I decided it was time to make the top. So I went ahead and took the little nude corset top. You can see it just looks like this. Nothing too special. And then I went ahead and put the little under thing on, mostly because I thought this was cool. It sort of made it look like it had boning on the top and like the top was designed kind of to have cups in it, even though it doesn't. So that kind of made it look a little extra glam. So then I'm going to take the extra tulle that I bought and I'm going to kind of wrap it around just to sort of make it all match the skirt. This was just, there's no real rhyme or reason. Like I said, I'm no designer. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just making this up. So I just kind of wrapped that around like that just to test it out and see if this would work. For the sleeves, I made it into kind of a shawl and wrapped it around to kind of mimic Billie's look. So tuck that in there for a second just to check and see how this is going to go. But you can see that kind of makes it look like the puffy sleeves. So actually, I think this is, in fact, going to work. La la. I mean, you know, this is just the loose, rough outline, but I think that could do the trick. I went ahead and took a good old trusty needle and thread, just like Mama always taught ya. And I just went ahead and stitched the tulle right onto the corsets, just to kind of, you know, make it stay in place. I didn't do this really particularly well, just over, under to make it stick a little bit, as it should. Of course, to mimic Billie's jewelry, I went ahead and grabbed some of my very own, some faux diamond rings and bracelets available at 333andcoat.com, linked below. And eventually, honestly, I know this doesn't look like much just sitting here, but this is kind of what it ends up looking like laying on the floor. So I'm going to go ahead and take all this and I bring it over to the ballroom to make it look a little extra fab for a little photo shoot and grand reveal. So here we go. Bippity boppity Billie. Oh, look at this. I came over to the other house into the ballroom for the grand finale. Are you guys ready to see? I got my Cinderella shoes all ready. Here we go. I'm all glammed up now, so just gotta put on the outfit. Here we go. Are you ready? Bippity boppity Billie Eilish. Oh, honestly? You can see the dress up close came out so beautiful. The skirt is iconic, first of all. OMG, and the top honestly came out super cute too. I went ahead and did my jewelry like her too with all the rings. I'm honestly like shook right now. This is even better than I thought it was gonna be. I can't really move my arms. These sleeves are very constrictive, but what's a Billie Eilish song? You should see me in a crown. Bad guy. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Oh no, it is I, Cinderella, Billie Eilish. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is honestly my dream, just wearing a ball gown in a castle. Oh, who needs the Met Gala when you can just dress up in your house? Just kidding, it's my dream to go. Obviously it's not perfect, but I mean, this is haute couture that I made in like 3 hours in my house. So. Oh, and with the stars in the background, look how glam, or the stars, that's the city. Whatever, same thing, so glam. Now to have a party. Cha 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 da 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 da. Woo! No outfit's complete without the perfect shoes. A little cupcake princess? Why, yes, that's me. Hello, darling. Well, since there's no one else here, I guess I win best dressed, eh? Best dressed of my apartment every day. For a one-day DIY, I'm gonna go ahead and give myself 10 out of 10 stars. You guys, that was me making Billie Eilish's Met Gala gown out of random stuff that I found downtown and in my house. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so very much. And don't forget, ultimate moral of the story is you don't need an occasion to dress up. Make your own occasion and wear whatever, whenever. You deserve to always feel like a superstar. I love you guys. Kisses till next time. Maybe someday kisses from the Met Gala. But for now, XO. So, I accidentally took this out of the bag to try something on, and then I realized I couldn't figure out how to put it back in. So, I guess I'll just walk around like this. I don't know.
Not like I haven't done weirder things in public. God, I could not be any weirder. Okay,